Alright, here's a better look of the S14. We replaced the old radiator assembly right there with a nice Mishimoto. Radiator assembly. Finished repairing all the wiring for the headlights, the turn signals. We got the grille, factory clip. AC is working, no overheats, no leaks. Everything's exactly where it's supposed to be. Alright, let's close the hood, see how it looks like. Alright, there it is. Look at that nice cookie front end. It's flush. Working lights, high beams, low beams, turn signals. It's all good. Okay, let's do a road test and confirm. Alright, here's a better look. S14 working. We got the AC nice and cold. Cruise control works. Cluster works. Radiator was successful. This is a perfect summer car to drive. It's good. Alright, let's do one more test on the way back. But so far, it's extremely good. Alright, this is one more test. Cool, very good. Controls working. Hey, it's really good. So here it is, the confirmation. We have a fully working S14 that's registered, passes smog. It's a very healthy car. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.